Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk to you about that how you can easily connect this Bluetooth Me outdoor Bluetooth speaker with your mobile phone. That's very easy and very good way to connect with your phone. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now, as you can check out over here, that is saying this showing this on off button. You have to press and hold this button for a few seconds until its light starts blinking like this and says pairing. And now you have to go to your mobile phone, and over there you have to go to this over there you have to go to this Bluetooth option, and in settings and click on this available devices. Okay, click over here. It's not finding over here, it should be over here. Now we have to on and off this Bluetooth for a while, and now try to find it out. Okay, it's showing over here. We have to click on this, it will start pairing. Click on pair and
connected.
Voila, your device is connected. Now when we play any music over there, that will be played on your phone, on your speaker. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.